Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Robinhood application on your phone if you don't have it. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and actually sign up to create your account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Robinhood application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here as you can see, they are actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not ask you to do anything. But the second time you open the application, they will ask you to set a PIN code. Then start using this PIN code whenever you are going to open the application. So for me, my PIN code is just 4 zeros here. And if after entering my PIN code, they will actually take me into my home or the main screen of the application. Let me just tell you first of all, you cannot use the full access of Robinhood application if you didn't verify your account and add funds to your account and use a VPN like you are in the United States, unless you are in the United States. Of course, you will find out how to do all of that in our channel and in this channel, of course. So if you have the full access and you want to actually deposit money, all you need to do, just go and click at your account here at the bottom right corner. So if you have the full access, if you go here to settings, you will actually find an option called transfer money. You can find this here, or you can just go and find this here. Or even if you scroll down, it depends on the version of the Robinhood application you are using. Of course, you would like to click at transfer money. Choose the external debit card or bank account you would like to transfer money from. Then enter the deposit amount. Choose to transfer the deposit to your package or spending account. Review the deposits and tap transfer. Of course, you have another option if it's your first time using the application, and if it's your first time, add funding to your account. Just click on that and follow the step that I just tell you. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.